Learn how to install the last roofing coating you may ever need. GacoRoof 100% silicone roof coating. Apply GacoRoof to a wide variety of surfaces to create a seamless waterproof membrane that seals and protects against permanent ponding water, harsh UV rays, and temperature extremes. With the flexibility to adhere to a multitude of substrates, it will reduce the amount of tear-offs and save you money. It works great on flat and sloped roofs like large and small buildings, homes, garages, sheds, barns, mobile homes, RVs, and campers. Please follow all the application instructions and take the necessary safety precautions. Detailed instructions are available on Gaco.com. Remember to factor weather conditions into your project. GacoRoof can be rained on within 2 hours, but the roof must be completely clean and dry. The temperature application range is between 32 degrees and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. We recommend a GacoRoof adhesion test kit to verify adhesion. Embed a cloth strip into the coating and immediately cover the cloth strip with GacoRoof, making sure to leave 1 inch of the strip uncoated. Let dry for 24 hours. Pull the uncoated end of the strip straight up. If the coating underneath the strip remains on the substrate, you have good adhesion. If all the coating pulls up, the substrate will need to be primed with E5320 2-part epoxy primer. Make sure dirt, leaves, and other debris are off the roof. Inspect the entire surface for open seams, tears, or cuts, and repair any flaws so water is not blown in under the membrane during the cleaning process. Pressure wash roof with water and allow to dry completely. To finish the cleaning process, use GacoWash concentrated cleaner after pressure washing. Dilute the solution at a ratio of 9 parts clean water to 1 part GacoWash. Let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes and then agitate any heavily soiled areas with a broom or brush. Rinse until all the suds are gone. Before continuing, wipe a clean white rag over the roof to make sure it is completely clean and dry. The next step is to cover all joints, fasteners, and transition areas with liquid roof tape, which is 100% silicone reinforced with microfibers. Mix thoroughly before applying and then brush over seams. Use a putty knife to force the product down into all penetrations and all protrusions. Coverage is 50 to 75 linear feet and will cover approximately 300 fasteners. Application rate is job specific and more product may be required. Use GacoRoof tape or 66S reinforcing polyester mesh for areas that need extra strength and flexibility. Next, you will need to apply GacoRoof 100% silicone coating. GacoRoof will provide a seamless, weather-tight seal that protects your roof from degradation caused by UVs and permanent ponding water without chalking up. It will also remain permanently flexible. It is available in 9 standard colors. How you apply GacoRoof will depend on the slope of your roof. Our product can be applied on flat or sloped roofs, and please remember to use extreme caution. Mix the coating to ensure uniform color and consistency and do not thin this product. Apply the coating using a 1-inch solvent-resistant nap roller cover. To ensure complete coverage, it's best to use a different GacoRoof color on the first coat to create a color contrast from the second coat. Allow the first coat to dry for 3 to 12 hours. Then apply a second coat as soon as the first coat can be safely walked on. Dry times will vary with temperature and humidity. On smooth surfaces, you are looking for a coverage rate of 100 square feet per gallon to yield 11 dry mils per coat. 2 coats are required. On textured surface, additional coats are necessary and the coverage rate will decrease. Once you have coated your roof, do not walk on it, other than for periodic maintenance. To provide a durable, monolithic rooftop walkway, while also providing traction for pedestrian maintenance traffic, Gaco Western designed SF2036 Walk Pad, a silicone-based, solvent-free yellow sealant intended for application over GacoFlex silicone coatings and a variety of other roofing substrates. Mix before application to ensure uniform color and consistency, and do not thin. Apply by brush, roller, or squeegee. You're looking for a spread rate of 4 gallons per 100 square feet. It will become an integral part of the roof, and the yellow color provides a highly visible and aesthetic rooftop walkway. When using WalkPad to create a rooftop walkway for pedestrian maintenance traffic, broadcast the WalkPad granules over the web coating at a rate of half a pound per 100 square feet. Do not mix granules into the coating. While the use of granules improves traction, you need to exercise caution when walking on a roof, especially in wet conditions. Allow WalkPad to dry a minimum of 4 hours at 55 degrees Fahrenheit or until it can be safely walked on. And rest assured, knowing your roof is covered, all Gaco Flex products come with a 50-year limited material warranty. Customer service is available 7 days a week for technical assistance.